This tutorial will teach you how to create a mortgage calculator and amortization schedule in Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel, select Blank Workbook. A new Excel spreadsheet will open. Create categories in A column: loan amount, annual interest rate, life loan in years, number of payments per year, total number of payments, payment per period, sum of payments, and interest cost. Enter your values. Figure out the total number of payments. Life loan value multiplied by payments per year value. Calculate the monthly payment, negative PMT, interest rate over payments per year, total number of payments, loan amount, 0. Calculate the total cost of the loan. Multiply payment per period value by total number of payments. Calculate total interest cost. Subtract initial loan amount from the total cost the loan calculated above. Mortgage calculator is complete. Create your payment schedule template to the right of your mortgage calculator. Add the original loan amount to the payment schedule. Set up the first 3 cells in your date and payment columns. For the payment column, enter the first 3 payment numbers. Use the fill function to automatically enter the rest of your payment and date values. Click Fill. Select Series. In the Date column, date should be checked. Click OK. Select the first entry the column. Drag the cursor down. Click Fill. Select Series. Linear is checked under the Type section. Click OK. Select the first empty cell in the payment column. Enter the payment per period formula, $IF, open parenthesis, cell B10F4 less than K8, plus K8 times B6F4 over B8F4, close parenthesis, comma, B10F4, comma, K8, plus K8 times B6F4 over B8F4, close parenthesis, hit Enter. Select the first empty cell. Enter the formula for calculating your interest value. Total loan multiply by annual interest rate over number of payments per year. Hit Enter. Enter the principal formula. Subtract the interest value from the payment value. Enter the loan formula. Loan less principal less extra. This will apply the loan formula to your selected cell. Use the fill function to complete your formula columns. Your payment should be the same all the way down. The interest and loan amount should decrease, while the values for the principal increase. Sum the payment schedule. At the bottom of the table, sum the payments, interest, and principal. Cross-reference these values with your mortgage calculator. If they match, you've done the formulas correctly.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.